It is me, Franny, and today I'm here with Sydney.
I messed it up. I'm sorry.
What do you mean?
I don't know. I was gonna say my name.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Why am I so nervous? I've never on other people's channels. Okay.
Well, do you want to do it again, or is that good?
It's fine. It's fine.
good?
It's the real me.
Well, anyway, so I'm here with Sydney, aka my little sister. Kind of. We're not actually related, but I literally see her like my little sister. She's like my little baby.
She's like my older sister.
Yeah, so I don't want anything to happen to her.
Aww. You're like my mom.
Yeah, literally. I'm her LA mom. I am going to be doing her makeup.
I'm excited. You're like a really good makeup person.
Well, I used to do freelance makeup a few years ago, so let's see if I still have it in me.
Oh, you will, sis.
Oh, you will, sis. Have you had your makeup done before?
No.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh,
never.
Wow. So let's just get started. Maybe y'all could get to know Sydney a bit in my video if y'all don't know who Sydney is. If you anything. She's like, I don't know what to say.
Okay, I'm not usually like this. What am I? Who am I? To you. Okay.
She's like, who am I?
Okay, I'm 18.
Okay.
From Minnesota. Make YouTube videos and love life.
Hey, that's cute.
And that's the tea, sis.
Oh wait, can you say the baby thing for Dave? Because Dave edits. They're like,
okay, this is just for Dave. Cut this out. See you later, baby.
Or leave it in.
Or kind of, he's gonna put it in, I know it. Oh, we met in Malibu. We went on a dope trip. That was super fun.
Yeah. We stayed like close, you know? Like,
yeah.
Like we would just like talk here and there.
Yeah, how do we even like connect? Like just through like text and stuff?
I think it's because we were under the same management. Remember? That's
yeah.
how we like bonded, I think, at the thing.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
That's what
You
I
remember that? Wow.
Yeah, I remember everything.
You do.
Don't worry. Baby.
Yeah. Oh. This baby thing is getting out of hand. Okay, yeah, is this foundation good? Tell me.
The foundation I'm using on her is the one that she brought, that she uses all the time, and it is the Buxom Shows Some Skin Weightless Foundation. But like, you have nice skin, so it's okay. Like, it's okay to have like this weightless foundation. Me, on the other hand, I use a little bit more. What the freak? Why is it coming?
Yeah, I know, it kind of ran out.
Okay.
Okay. Sorry about that.
Ran out.
Well, what is there to know about you, Franny? What do they not know about Franny?
Dude, they know like everything, I think.
Wait, what's something I know about you that they wouldn't know? Oh, she's a neat freak, but in a good way. Okay, that sounds bad. You keep everything clean.
Yeah, basically.
She has a dog named Lola.
I think they know that.
Oh, they know. Okay. How did I not know that?
I think you did, no?
Maybe I didn't, I forgot. I don't know.
Fake fan.
Oh, sorry.
Okay.
Cut that, Dave.
He's like, nope, keeping it in.
He's gonna be like, savage.
So, any boys in your life, Sid?
Wow, getting straight to it, sis.
When she says sis, I just die.
Not really.
I don't want you to have a boyfriend. They're gonna break your heart.
True.
Like they break mine.
Yeah, Franny is like my mom, honestly.
Yeah, like I tell her, like, I just like give her like advice and tips. I'm like, don't do this, you should do that.
Yeah, she gives me life advice all the time. She's like a big sister.
Yeah.
Actually, you're kind of like a mom and a big sister.
I don't know. Yeah, I don't know why. I'm very like motherly, and I've had people tell me that though, like a lot. That I'm like very like motherly.
With other people too?
Yeah, like very like, are you okay? Like, do you need anything? Like it's just like a mom, but it's fine.
You're very caring, I think. You commented on my Instagram picture, you're like, don't grow up or something. What was
Yeah, I commented her photo. I was like, don't grow up, stay pure.
Okay, it was NARS.
Yeah, NARS
Fancy.
Radiant Creamy Concealer.
Who's your twin? That's what I'm trying to think of.
I have a lot of different ones that a lot of people tell me. I get Shay Mitchell, Alexis Wren, Catherine Pais from the Ace family.
Oh my gosh, I can see that, Catherine.
Yeah, when I had blonde hair, I looked a lot like Catherine. I mean, I didn't really...
You had blonde hair?
Yeah, I had like a lot of highlights
When?
at one point. Literally last Christmas. Alexa Vega from Spy Kids.
It's like a little bit like Selena Gomez. I don't know why.
Really?
Just like a teeny bit.
Never heard that.
Maybe because of your dark features.
Maybe.
Does anyone else think that?
Selena
Or
Gomez?
am I the only one? Yeah, like a little bit. What are some LA things I should know now that I'm here?
Boys are a-holes.
Okay, next.
She's like, okay,
Thank
thanks.
you. Next.
I don't know. I just be careful. Like who you trust. I think that's like the biggest thing. Like be careful who you are constantly with and what their intentions are around you. Because I've learned like some people's intentions aren't the best. Oh my god, you want to tell them that funny story?
Oh, yeah. This is really funny. I don't think anyone can relate to this, honestly.
Well, Sydney like literally just got the biggest laugh from this. So I think it's funny if she
It's very
says
funny.
it.
Okay, so mini story time. Dave, for like a cool title. He's gonna hate me. So basically, we were at a restaurant. I'm like, what are you gonna get? She's like, I don't, you were like, I think I want the avocado toast. But wait, I had avocado toast this morning. I can't have too much avocado in one day. What? Like, who says that? Like,
She like thought like, it was just so funny.
it was so
because-
LA, you know?
And it's funny because like I think you think it's because of LA, but like I've always been like a super like hypochondriac. Like I feel like if I have too much of something, I might die.
Oh.
Like not die, but like if I have too much of like something, I might get sick. Like I'm just like, I overthink everything all the time with food. If I have like avocado in the morning, I can't have avocado later in the afternoon because I feel like it's just too much. Like I freak out with stuff like that. Like I'm like a hypochondriac. Like I think everything's gonna just like freak me out, like kill me. But that's just me being like overly just like annoying. But yeah, it was so funny because I was like, I can't have avocado. She's like, why?
I was like, are you allergic?
It was so funny though because her reaction was just like, she literally was like, what is wrong with you, Franny? I'm like, I just don't want to die. I'm sorry.
It was funny. It was funny. Franny's a funny gal.
You know, I literally had this conversation with Nessa the other night. It was so funny because I was like, do you think people think we're funny? And she goes, yeah, I think we're like a good time. She was like, well, like you're not friends with yourself. I'm like, well, I'm with myself all the freaking time. Like,
yeah.
Like, I don't know. I don't know. I can't tell if I'm actually like funny or if people are laughing at me.
No, we're laughing with you.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I am. I don't know about everyone else.
You know, everyone else is just like, Franny, you're a loser.
Wait, what should my nickname be for you? I'm kind of just like Fran.
You like Fran?
Yeah.
Fran, that's literally like the go-to for everyone. Like everyone's just like, Fran.
There's nothing like else to say.
Fran. Honestly, the person who started calling me Fran was Keen.
Oh, now everyone says it.
Yeah, it just kind of tagged on.
It's just short and to the point.
JC doesn't call me Fran. He always calls me Franny. Bob calls me Fran. Corey calls me Fran and Franny. Everyone just has their own thing, you know? But yeah.
I'll call you Fran now. Maybe.
Maybe, I don't know, actually. Do you do makeup tutorials on your channel?
I do like get ready with me, so like.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
If you guys haven't checked out Sydney's channel,
Aww.
go down below and check it out. She does a lot of like lifestyle videos, but that's why I was like wondering if you did makeup.
I like occasionally.
Okay.
You're definitely the makeup expert though. I don't know why I see you as like a makeup, because your makeup was so good.
Oh, thanks.
Gosh, I'm gonna be like a bronzed goddess now.
I'm blonde, I'm just gonna lightly do it because you're
Pale.
a little pale. Not pale. Like you're just very fair, so I don't want to make you look like a freaking crazy person. Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah, thoughts on the Thank You Next music video?
Oh, I obsessed with it. Obsessed with it. The whole concept, like the person who came up with the whole concept, just like literally definition of killed it.
Oh my gosh, what's her name? Kris Jenner.
She will fit that role.
Yeah.
Like, so, because you've seen Mean Girls, right?
I've seen Mean Girls. Yeah, she's good. What are some like movies I should see? Because I don't really watch movies.
Have you seen The Vow?
Mm-mm.
Oh, you have to watch it. Whatever, why? Have you seen Titanic?
No.
No, right? No.
No, everyone's like,
Everyone's
sorry,
like,
don't hate me.
Sydney.
Don't hate me, I'm sorry.
Sydney's on the younger side. She just hasn't seen those movies.
I'm just like not really a movie gal.
What's your favorite movie?
High School Musical.
I love it. Guys, like when I tell you like my makeup routine has gone from like super intense to like concealer and like my makeup took 10 minutes to do because I don't care to do it like super intense anymore. You know, this is when you like become a mom, you know, when you just give up and you don't want to do makeup all the time, like super good.
Franny's a mom now. You're my mom, that's why. Now that I'm here, you're like, I don't have time for this.
Yeah, I don't have time to do my own makeup anymore. I gotta get the kids to school. All right, baby, where's this brush?
I thought you were gonna say, where's this bread?
Bread?
It's like the new thing now everyone's saying. Get this bread? I don't know.
Get this bread.
Okay.
Do you usually wear blush?
Sometimes.
When you're feeling frisky?
Well, I don't know if that's the right word. I'm feeling daring. Yeah, wow.
Okay.
What if I just went out like this?
People probably like be a little confused.
Wait, what are you doing today? What kind of look is this?
I guess it's like more of like a natural, like I want to do maybe a little bit like something darker than you usually do just to make it a little different, you know.
Transform me.
Okay, when I do brows though, I like making them look very natural. Like some people like really over exaggerate brows. I don't like how that looks personally.
Yeah, I don't either. Wait, what do you like compare like to like when you first moved here to like who you are now? Like how have you changed?
I moved here 3 years ago. I probably am just way more independent. I just had to grow up like very quickly. I moved out here at your age. I moved out here when I was 18. I like sped up my life kind of. Like I had to grow up very quickly because I wasn't here with my parents. So it feels like I'm like in my mid-20s, late 20s.
Yeah, you're very mature.
I feel like y'all don't understand that because I'm so like crazy in videos and stuff when I film. Like, oh my god. But like off camera when I have to be serious about stuff, I feel like I'm very mature. Like I feel like I'm like in my 20s, like mid-20s, late 20s, like dealing with problems, like adult problems.
I knew who you were before we met because I watched one video and it was like about like moving to LA at 18. Cause like I was like Google or like YouTubing it.
Oh my god.
And then I like went back and I'm like, wait, that's Franny. Like that's like so crazy. Like I watched that now, like here we are.
Here
like
we are.
8 months later.
Here we are in LA, me doing your makeup.
I'm your little sister now.
Yeah, literally.
I wish I was going somewhere.
You could be going somewhere.
She's
She's like, what? Is that like Sid, what was your first impression of me?
I don't know, I just thought you were really sweet. I kind of just always thought of you as like an older sister.
Aww.
You know? Like you were just like so like, I'll take you under my wing.
Well, when she came up to me and like said hi to me, I was like, oh, she's like so sweet and like she just seems so innocent. I was like, she's definitely not from LA. Not saying that everyone in LA is like horrible, but I'm just saying like the way that she approached me and the way that she was like talking to me, I was like, she cannot be from here. And if you were, I would have been very like surprised.
Gotta stay true, stay me every day, baby. Oh gosh, I need to stop saying that.
Every day.
Wait, talk about prom, because I saw that picture of you over there.
What do you want to know about my prom? Did you go to prom or no?
I never went to prom.
Yeah, I've only been to one prom. I thought I wasn't gonna have a date. Like I honestly thought no one was gonna ask me, but it was so funny because like last minute, this other guy, I wasn't friends with him. Like we never spoke. Everyone in the school was like just saying like, oh my god, Franny doesn't have a date, and then oh my god, this guy doesn't have a date.
Oh.
So like everyone was like, okay, like we have to make it happen, and I was like friends with his friends, and I think I've talked to him like once or twice before in my life, and like we just made it happen, and then it was just funny though because it was like we went to prom together, but we didn't even know each other. Like it was just so funny, but he was very sweet.
Was it fun?
Yeah, it was fun. Prom was super fun. We went down to Seaside Heights for prom weekend. It's like a shore, a town in Jersey, like a shore. You know, crazy teenagers all loose in Seaside Heights. Seaside was a little dirty, not gonna lie. Probably would have liked to have gone somewhere else, but it's fine, you know, we're doing great.
Have you changed a lot since you've came here? That's what I want to know.
Like my personality or how I look?
No, like personality.
I feel like I've always been pretty mature. Just moving, you know, from high school to here, I had a really big problem in high school, like caring a lot about what people thought about me. High school's so temporary and like obviously it matters at the moment, but like it doesn't matter after 3 or 4 years. All the high school drama doesn't matter.
It doesn't at all.
But that's one thing that I've learned is like when there's an issue, like honestly, it's not gonna matter in like a year, honestly. If it's like some stupid boy drama or something, you know what I mean?
When you're in it, it feels like
it feels like it's gonna be forever.
Yeah, but then people are like, oh, it won't matter. You're like, yes, it will. But once you leave, it's like nobody even thinks about that. You know. Now that you're here, do people react like, wow, she's going to LA? Because like for me, when I left Minnesota, it was very like shocking because like where I'm from, nobody goes to LA. Yeah, no, I think it was a little shocking when I told my friends, but I feel like no one had faith in me. Like everyone kind of thought like, you're gonna go and like you're gonna come back. Guys, like honestly, like I tell people if I can do it, you can do it. Like I lived on a couch for 6 months when I moved out here. If you want something so badly, like you'll make it happen. Like I made it happen. Do you always want to live here, like when you have kids and stuff? Yeah. I can maybe see myself living in like somewhere else maybe for like 6 months to a year, but then like where I want it, my end game of my life, like I want to be here in LA, like not in the city, but like it's probably somewhere like in the hills, like north of LA, like Calabasas or like Woodland Hills area. So yeah, this is where I'm gonna die. Oh, wow, we got deep real quick. So how about you, Sid? How have you been liking LA so far? Like, do you think you're gonna stay or do you think you're gonna move back to Minnesota and I'll never see you again? That's sad. I really like it so far, but I don't know like long term, like how long. I want to definitely stay here for like a good amount of time though, at least a year for sure, and then probably after. Like I really like it so far. Like I love the weather. I love how everyone's always like working on something and like it's just very fast paced. Yeah, like everyone's always doing something. It like motivates you, you know? Very motivating. When you see other people doing that. It's like back home, there's like really not that many people to meet because no one does this. Well, it's just
just like everybody just does, like, I feel like back home, like where you're from, like everyone just does the same thing, you know, you go to high school, you go to college, you get a normal job, like there's no change. And that's one thing that drove me crazy. I was like, why is this such a cycle? Like, if that's what you want to do, totally fine. But like, I just don't think it's fair for the kids that don't want to do that.
It's like in like it's like a mold or like you have
you're
to
conforming to doing what everyone else is doing.
Yeah. So
obviously, I'm not saying drop everything you're doing and pursue like be broke and live on a couch. No, but
be smart about it.
Yeah, be smart about it. Like when I said, like I've said this in my video, like when I moved out here and I lived on a couch, like I probably would go back and wait till I had more money, so I wouldn't be in that situation for so long. But you know, you live and learn. And I love clear gloss. Like I use this, it's called Kopari lip glossy. It's literally just clear gloss.
Oh, it sounds like vanilla. Oh wow, you have like so many things. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. You're like,
I'm like trying to get it all. Okay.
I always like a dewy finish, so I'm finishing off with MAC Fix Plus.
Ooh. Wait, what is this, setting spray?
Yeah, it could be setting spray. People do it like to prime or to set. This Fix stuff, like they use it for everything.
Oh, it's like rain.
Ooh, it's like rain. She's like, I got it in my mouth. I just kept it super natural, like, you know, I didn't want to do anything too crazy on you. Okay, ready?
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh, it looks good. Wow, the highlight. Ooh, I like it. I like the lips. Ooh, love that lip combo. Very good. Oh my gosh, my lashes. I like that mascara.
You're like, ooh, oh my god.
Oh, I like it. Oh, thank you. I look tan. I feel tan. Thank you. You're so good. I feel like, wow, I've never got my makeup done before.
It's very you, but like I just did a little bit of like a darker brown on your lip. Just a little bit of something, but I didn't want to go too crazy.
No, it's good. It's good. It's not like.
Alright guys, you're welcome. I'm happy you like it. Whenever you want your makeup done, let me know.
Can I just like come over?
Yeah, whenever you have a shoot or anything.
Oh my gosh, I actually kind of want to do that now. Okay, but she's like annoying. Like every day.
She's like, Franny, can you do my makeup? Can you do my makeup?
Every morning.
We're going to church. Can we do my makeup? Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want to see more of Sid on my channel. We can do fun videos. Just leave them all linked down below. I'm gonna leave her channel link down below so y'all can go check her out. She does a bunch of fun lifestyle videos. Please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, put those push notifications on so when I upload, you'll know exactly when I do. Do not forget to subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye! Bye.